Corona update. So in the shopping centre in Vietnam now, this is all new. Perspex in between you and the teller, so you don't face the teller directly, and everybody's got visors. So they've all got visors and masks, and so anyway, so we've got our groceries here, and we're going to check out. But you can see everybody wears a mask in Vietnam. They got visors. They took this seriously right from the word go, and that's why Vietnam, even now, has only got 200 people that actually got infected with it. That's why you never hear them on the news, and yet they're right next door to China. They're as close to China as you could possibly be, and we're in the north of Vietnam, just near Hanoi, and so that's really close to Wuhan, which is just over the border. But right from the 20th of January, they were telling their people, wear masks, wash your hands, big education program, social distancing. They were saying all of that for the last 2-3 months, and that's why they just don't have anybody dying. There's not been one death in Vietnam. They got 100 million people living right close to each other, and not one person died from corona yet. So, and there's only been, I think, 200 and something get infected, and 170 of those already got out of hospital. And the government did all of the treatment for free for people. They've had fundraising for people, all sorts of things. So, you know, actually my girlfriend keeps saying to me, don't go back to Australia because there's like 20,000 people there with corona and lots of people dying, and she's really scared. So anyway, so I'm gonna, yep, come on. For you. So how much bao nhiêu tiền? 2 million. 2 million for all of that. So $150. Wow. Even over here, a trolley full of groceries is expensive. It's all this packaged food. If you go to the markets, the food's really cheap. If you buy it off the street, it's really cheap. It's just really odd because 2 million's like Lily only earned 4 million last month, so and all we bought today was a fan and sauces and, you know, some ice cream and things, you know. So anyway, all right, like, comment, subscribe, share.